Algebra 1, lesson 105. Now, try it again. Lesson 107, page 450. This is a continuation of what we've just been doing. Two things here. Line, we're going to find the equation of a line parallel to another line. So we want a line parallel to a given line. Parallel to a given line. And then we want to have the equation of a line with a given slope through a given G-I-V-E given point. All right, both very, very easy. Number one, if you want a line that's parallel to a line that you already have, let's say if we have 4x plus 3y equals 7. Now I want a line that's parallel to this line. So what I need to know, first of all, is what is the slope of this line. So I got 3y equals minus 4x plus 7. Y equals negative 4/3 x plus 7/3. Okay, so the slope on this line is what? The slope on this line, and you better get it right, or I'll come through there and gangster slap all of you. Okay, this is the slope. That's all I care about. I don't care about that. How do you graph it? It's fractions. I don't care. It doesn't matter. This is the slope. We're going to go down 4 and right 3. Understand? Down 4, right 3. That's the slope. So the slope that we have is minus 4/3. That's our slope. And I got that from taking the equation that they gave me, set it up, and put it in this form. Y equals mx plus b. That's the slope. All right? That's not all. It's also going to go through the point -1, -3. Well, where did you get that point from? I don't know. It's in the book. All right? So we're going to do the same thing we did here. I have the slope. It's right here. So I'm going to put this in. There's y, there's x. There's x, there's y. So I go like this, equals negative 4/3 x plus b. I'm trying to find b, just like we did the other day. Negative 3 goes here, negative 1 goes here. You're multiplying right here, so that's going to be positive 4/3. So negative 3 equals 4/3 plus b. I'm going to add 4/3 to this side. So we have negative 3 plus, oh, this, yes, I know, 4/3. 1 1/3. However you want to do this, okay? So there's going to be a subtraction problem, and the answer is negative. So it's 2 3/3, and it's negative. Plus 1 1/3. So it's a subtraction problem, so we'll have 1 2/3, and it's negative. Okay? That's B. That's B. However you put it on your calculators, I don't care. Now, what we're going to do is we have the slope. There's the slope, and B is this, negative 1 2/3, or negative 5/3. I don't care, it doesn't matter. Put it into here. Y equals the slope right here, negative 4/3 x, don't forget the x, minus 1 2/3. This line here has the same slope as the line we were given, and it passes through the given point. Whatever the point was they gave us, I just lost it here. Negative 1, -3. So it's parallel to a given line through a given point. First of all, the given line, find the slope. Here's the slope. Once you have the slope, you put it in here. You put x and y in here, the given points. You find b. Here's b. Here's the equation of the line. All right? All right. Next, we're going to have a given slope through a given point. This makes it even easier. You don't have to find the slope. You are given the slope, okay? So 50, 40, wow. This is the point that they're going to give us because they're just like full of beans here. Why not use a huge number? Okay, and the slope is -1/2. Okay, all we have to do. Put the slope in, put the x there, put the y there. So it's going to look like this. 40 equals -50 x, slope is -1/2. X is -50 plus b. Negative times negative is a positive. Half of 50 is 25. 40, this is 25, minus 25, subtract it over here, equals b. 40 minus 25 is probably minus 25, 3, 1, 15. So, equals 15. So we did all this stuff here, okay? Now write the equation of the line. Y equals slope, m, right there, -1/2, x, don't forget the x, Carlos, plus, there's the line. Okay, that's all you have to do. You're not looking to graph it or anything else, just find it. If you're given the slope, you just stick it in there. You're given a point, that's x, that's y. Solve for b. Once you get b, put m and b back into this equation with the y and the x. There is the equation of the line with a given point, okay? Or if you have to, if it's parallel to the given line, all you have to do is take the equation, solve it, get what's with x, get m, and then that's your slope, put it in there, given point, put it in for x and y, solve, find,